Now let's grab a look at that DX pattern. Now we talked about this in a webinar today, and we'll put that webinar on our blog for you guys, so be there for you guys to look at in the future. But this is how it looked this morning at 8:30. When we began looking at the dollar index, just to simply get ready for our day ahead, we realized the dollar here was trading at its highs. Now, of course, with the dollar trading at its highs, if you guys are familiar with the dollar index, right, negative correlation, we have a new pattern called the DX pattern, which means we're now going to be looking for the opposite on a currency future. So let's take the euro, for example. Here the dollar is trading at its highs. Now what I'll do is I'll look right for a two-step entry on the dollar. That will trigger a two-step entry long, right, opposite direction on the euro. Okay, so we're looking at the highs being tested. Now by now we should be very familiar with how to take this two-step pattern, right? The two-step pattern is what got me into this trade, right? This is the two-step pattern at the high of day. Here's a two-step pattern at the low of day, right? It's the reversal pattern. So right now, I'm waiting for the dollar to confirm this move to the downside, because as a negative correlation, I'm also watching, and follow me over here, I'm also watching now the euro. Now remember, I can use any currency future I want. Euro, pound, yen, CAD, right? The Swissy, whatever you guys want to use. I like the euro, I like the pound because I'm most familiar with it. But by all means, guys, use whatever currency future you guys want. And we'll talk more about that in our advanced course here later on this week. We'll do members training tomorrow. We'll be talking more about that in members training tomorrow. So if you guys are still on the fence for membership, get involved before training tomorrow, guys. You definitely won't be disappointed. We'll be talking more about this DX pattern tomorrow. So at the same time here, we have the euro on the left, right? Euro on the left. So we get the 6E, okay, the euro here is at its lows, right? There's your low of day. Okay, so of course at this time here, it's 8:30. Right, 8:30 a.m. we're seeing the lows on the euro. Meanwhile, following over the right here, we're seeing the highs on the dollar. Okay, so what do? We look for a two-step on the dollar to then confirm the move on the euro. Remember, the dollar first. Okay, now one of the trades we took this morning, if you guys are with us, again, we're on a demo account with this right now, testing out this pattern. And what I want you guys to see is the first trade we took, we got in before the dollar triggered. Okay, then we took the re-entry, and that was the winner when the dollar had triggered. So we learned a lot of valuable lessons today about this pattern. We're going to be talking more about that in our live trade room tomorrow morning. But on this pattern yourself at sea, I want you guys to understand the basic fundamentals behind it. Right, resistance on the dollar, support on the euro. We wait for the dollar reversal to signal, and then we look for the euro to get into that trade. All right, guys, it's a real simple pattern. Again, we'll be talking more about that on the second trade here. Nice big 48 tick winner. Of course, we had a lose in the first trade, but we quickly realized why that happened, and we're going to make some adjustments there tomorrow morning. So be sure to be with us tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at tomorrow. Wednesday, April 28th. Tomorrow's Fed Day, FOMC Day. We have 10:30 crude inventories. 2:15 is the announcement, and of course tomorrow at 11:30 we have members only training. Now tomorrow, guys, if you've never seen an FOMC day, it's classified by a lot of volume early in the morning. You'll start seeing that taper off. So we'll take advantage of that. We'll do a lot of education and learning towards the end of the morning here, because the market will probably be a little bit slow. And then don't forget, tomorrow we'll open back up at 7:45. We'll be looking for DX patterns tomorrow, guys. Come out and join us 7:45 a.m. We'll do webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The beginner's course, if you guys want more information about our patterns, our routines, the markets we trade, the rules we use, the beginner's course is perfect for new traders. And as always, don't forget, price increase coming May 1st. If you guys are still on the fence for membership, that's lifetime advanced membership. Comes with everything you guys see in the live trade room. Give us a call, 800-381-2084, or sales@schooloftrade.com. My name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. Another big day in the room, $840. We're shooting for that big number again tomorrow, guys. We'll see you then. Bye-bye for now.